Welcome once again to Wisely Well Wednesday. I know I had gone missing. Where was I? I had gone to meet me. And what all did I discover? But that's a story for some other time. But to meet me, I had to pause, listen, look, and breathe. And that, in short, dear friends, is mindfulness. It is the art of being present in the present. Most of the time, our mind is either lost in the past or rushing into the future. To coax our mind to come from the past and future into this magical moment called now is called to be mindful or to live mindfully. Just think, if we as individuals, as nations, as humans would have been just a little mindful, we wouldn't have got ourselves in this sorry mess of a pandemic. But never mind. Let bygones be bygones. Let us at least now pause. Look, there are so many beautiful things to see around. The tiniest grass blade to the huge cloud in the sky, the sheer blueness of the sky, the shades of mud or wood, or even your office carpet. So many beautiful things to see. When you look mindfully, listen. Can you hear the birds chirping? Or maybe just the fan whirling? Or the children playing? Or the grandmother calling? Or just the little hen walking? Or the clock ticking? There are so many things to hear when we listen mindfully. And then breathe. We don't even fill our lungs to the fullest. So take a deep breath in and breathe out. That's being mindful. But generally, when we think of mindfulness, we think of mountaintop retreats, of yoga or meditation. But I say mindfulness can be brought to anything, even the most mundane act of chopping an onion. Don't believe me? Then join me next Wacky Wednesday, next Wellness Wednesday, next Wise Wednesday to learn how to chop mindfully. Meditative chopping. See you there.